Hi guys. We'll say hi.
Hi.
We just got up from work. It's 3:10. It's 3:10. So we got the cooler. We got up at 3. Kobe got the car that we rented. We're just gonna do a quick Walmart run,
Yes.
change our clothes, and get ourselves and head off to the road. I'm so excited. We're both so tired and we didn't get enough sleep last night, but we're excited. See you guys later. We'll bring you guys with our adventure today. We're gonna bring you with our adventure this weekend. You ready? Yay!
Let's go!
Red Bull muna kayo dyan, mga Marek Works. Mabilis ang tapon lang po ng mga gamit and we're ready. Hey!
Kala mo, kala yung 7.
Kaya nga, grabe ang tagal namin nag-ready kasi nakailang balik kami. 4:21. Kanina ang time check natin 3:10. But we're good. Okay, let's go. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Mr. Driver. How is the you? How is the driving?
All good in the hood.
So, 1 hour, 59 minutes. Ganito po ang traffic sa Canada. Ganyan lang. Traffic na po sa amin tong ganito. That's it. Wow. Sir Patch.
I have some help.
You need help?
Yeah, I have some help.
Can I have some help? We were at Tacloban. Ano na nga yung...
San Juanico.
San Juanico Bridge! Guys! Welcome to San Juanico Bridge! Yes!
It's been 2 years.
Yes! Bakit nag-San Juanico Bridge ka na ba?
Hindi pa. It's been 2 years
Let's
now.
go!
Where are we?
Agaziz.
Agaziz.
Aga, mali. Agaziz. Loyalty and loyalty.
Agaziz. Oh.
So cute. Mission City. Baby, do you like this beat? I made it so you dance with me. Gusto mo pa?
Wow! Now I'm the passenger prince.
You're a passenger.
Sheesh!
You're the
Dahan-dahan lang ha.
Yes, sir.
Dahan-dahan lang ha.
Yes, sir.
Please, please,
No.
please.
Bakit
Yeah.
mo patak? Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Uy, papabilis na naman po ako. Feeling ko doon tayo mawawalan ng
45 minutes pa po.
Doon tayo mawawalan ng signal sa
Lilugan.
sa
Yeah. Sa mismo.
may off-road.
Sheesh.
Beautiful, beautiful love.
Doon ka na rin ba
Just for my vlog, guys.
Okay, kaya mo yan, kabayan. Oh, let's
Kaya
go.
mo ba
Ilocos
to?
Sur.
Yeah, we're going to Paway.
Yeah,
Ano na nga
Paway.
yun?
Paway Leyte.
Hindi, ano na nga yung mga...
Church yun.
Paway Church na, ano na nga yung beach doon?
Beach, don't kill my vibe. Tapos,
Don't kill my vibe.
how many minutes? 39 minutes pa po. Para pumunta sa Hicks Lake na pala kami. Malalagpasan pa namin yung pinuntahan namin
Yung
nung
pinagcampingan
nagkaroon.
We're on the rough road. Off-road na po kami.
Ruff!
Hey! 11 minutes to go.
Oh, nakita ko na yun yung lake, oh.
Whee!
Oh.
It's a beach.
Oh.
Yay! We made it! Okay. Okay, ocular visit. Wow, bulok! Okay, ocular visit. We can still drive our wagon here. Ay, hindi malamok.
Ay no, maganda din.
Sige. Yeah. Wow, this is a nice spot.
Parang maganda dun mag-tent bro. No.
We're gonna make a bonfire, guys. And this is our mini tent.
Do we have lighter, right? Ay, the match starter.
Yeah?
Match starter part.
So marami pa yung mga dumadating, guys. I think it's 8 p.m. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour. This is our mini shelter. This is where we're gonna chill during daytime kasi may shed, tapos may puno. And may cover siya para pag gusto namin mag-chill ng gabi, tapos madaming lamok. And si Kobe gagawa siya ng bonfire namin. I'm gonna give you guys a tour sa aming bed. Hindi ko naayos yung bed namin kasi mamaya na pag matutulog. But this is our tent. Look at that. There's a katol inside. So ito yung aming higaan. Malapit lang siya dito sa isang tent namin. But yeah, super dali lang po gawin ng tent namin. Kita ba sa loob? Oh, ayan. So, nandyan lahat ng aming kumot, mga bihisan. Ayan, this is our situation. Ang cute! I love camping, guys! Guys, I love camping! Ah! And tahimik lang po yung tubig, yung dagat. And I'm gonna show you guys our mini fridge. I'll give you guys a tour of our mini fridge. Ito siya. That's our mini fridge. Yeah. That's our mini fridge. Bo? Okay. I showed them our mini fridge. And this is our kitchen. Wow. Dinner time. With the bonfire. This is our dinner. For our first night, it's a steak and cup noodaloo. With Canada dryer.
Yeah.
And some chips. And we have some grapes over here. Wow! Wow! Sarap ng grapes. Tamis. Wow. That's our neighbors, guys. They're Mexican. They're having a party. We don't mind. And that's our paddle board. That's another story tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or if we have energy tonight, no?
Yeah, we can. Pump.
Yeah, it's still too early.
Yeah.
I can't wait to chill. We're gonna swim later, guys. Kain nga po.
Hawks. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers! Happy camping! Happy birthday! Okay, say bye.
Bye, see you tomorrow.
Whoa.
Ay, to pray.
Say hi! Ang fresh mo dyan.
Siyempre. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
It's the Lord of the Light spoke to me.
Not today. Wow. What is that? Kabayang bundat.
Celebration.
Wow, sexy mo naman. With view.
Game?
Yep. Game.
1, 2.
Wow!
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
18 years old.
Happy 18th.
Yes, way back.
Hindi, dito yata 19 ang legal age.
Yeah, 19.
Happy 19.
Wine lang naman. Kahit wine ba?
I think, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday to you. Sheesh.
Ah!
Kala mo talaga.
Sap, sap. Eh kaso, ang hirap ng takpan to.
Kasi wala na yung ano.
Ila-
Ayun pa pala isa natin bibilin. Pantakip ng mga wine. So, he decided to pump it up now. Sabi namin bukas, pero na-bored na po siya. Gagawin niya na ngayon. So, we'll give you an update later. Shisha bore. Sample? Sample ng pagpam... Here. Wear your life vest. Here.
Ang galing na ba itong ano bro?
Alin?
Itong
No. Kailangan mo ng ano, pangkapit. Good luck.
Last trip natin ah. Ay, tumatama.
Go. Bye.
Kailangan ko tumayo.
Tulak kita? Ha? Ay, tayo ka muna. Wow. Dandan. Tayo ka muna. Uy. Wow, ang tapang mo kahit ang dilim, boss. Hindi madulas? Hindi madulas? Okay. Balance. Wala nga. Practice ka lang.